Hello, my cute buddies. I'm your English ma'am speaking. In the last session, we have seen an interesting story, The Missing Trinkets. Today, we are going to learn the grammar part of this lesson. Before that, let's have a quick recap, children. Are you ready, children? Yes. Page. Looked at something with difficulty. Now spell the word LOOKED. Look at something. SOME. Something. THING. Something with difficulty. DIFFICULT. Difficulty. Next word suspicious. What is the next word? Suspicious. A feeling where you feel something wrong is happening. A feeling where something is wrong happening. Now spell the word FEELING. Feeling where you feel feel something 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 wrong WRONG is happening HAPPENING happening. So that is the meaning. Next, alert. What is the word? Alert. 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 Ability to think clearly in a quick manner. Okay, now spell the word ABILITY. Ability to think. THINK. Think clearly. 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 In a quick. QUICK. Quick manner. 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 Okay. Alert. What is the meaning? Ability to think clearly in a quick manner. So repeat these answers after me, children. Astonishment. What is the word? Astonishment. Great surprise. What is its meaning? Great surprise. Now spell the word GREAT. Great. Surprise. 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 Great surprise. Nimbly. What is the word, children? Nimbly. Easily. What's its meaning? Easily. 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 Stash. 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 A story or supply or something usually kept hidden. STORE. Story or supply. SUPPLY. Supply or something. SOMETHING. Something usually kept hidden. 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 Logic. Spell the word LOGIC. Logic. See, the meaning for this is clear reasoning. What is its meaning? Clear reasoning. CLEAR. Clear reasoning. REASONING. Clear reasoning. Okay, children. Next. Now here is the activity for you children. Think and ink. So you have to think the answer and write it in your note or in your book. Think of one thing you like very much. This could be your favorite book, friend, animal, movie or flower. Okay, children. Give clues to help the rest of your team guess this object, person or animal. So whatever it may be. For example, they have given one clue. It is the national animal of India. It is usually orange in color with black stripes on it. The numbers of this animal are reducing. We need to save this animal from hunters. I know you guessed the answer. Yes, your answer is right. It is tiger. So these animals numbers are reducing nowadays. So we have to protect these animals. So Like this, you have to write some clues and make your siblings or your parents at your home can guess answer for that. It may be a little game for you children. It just have a fun at your home. You can do this and you can write the clues in your notebooks and write the answers also in your notebooks. Okay, that is your activity today and also your home fun today. Next, we are going to see the grammar part. Here is a pep activity children and the grammar part is plural nouns. We have already learned this in lesson 1. Or you remember this children? Yes, very good. What is a noun children? Yes, names of people, places, animals and things are nouns. The plurals of nouns are formed in different ways. So it may formed in different ways. Like this, these are singular nouns. Earring. So we are adding here yes. Earrings. 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 Bat. Here is one bat. And we are adding here yes. Bats. 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 House. See, this is rule 2. We form plural nouns of singular nouns ending in s, x, z, ch, sh. So this is sound. Okay, the word end with sound. We are adding es. Okay, house, houses, box, boxes. Okay, now singular noun. What is a singular noun children? One of something. Here they color differently. Singular, which means single, only one, single. So here you can see one cap. This is singular noun. Next, plural noun. What do you mean by plural noun children? More than one. Here plus, plus. So what we are saying this? Plus one. So we are adding here s for this. So we are telling this plural nouns we have 4 caps. So here is a rule for plural nouns children. We have 4 rules: adding s, adding es, adding ies and adding ves. So your first rule is adding s. For most nouns simply we are adding s only. Ball, balls. Cat, cats. For most noun that end in a vowel plus y, add yes. For example, boy. Now you can clearly understand this. This word ends in y. But before y we have vowel sound o. So for that we are adding here boys. You can say some more example for this. Monkey, very good children. Monkey, MONKEY, monkey. So E is a vowel sound ending with Y. We are adding here S, monkeys. Likewise, keys, KEYS, keys. E is a vowel, so we are adding yes, keys. Next, we are adding here ES. That is the second rule. I already told you the word ends with sh sound. We are adding ES. SH, SH, S, SS, X, Z is sound. Fox, foxes. Dish, dishes. Dress, dresses. So the word end with ish sound. Next, the third rule is the word end adding IES. For most nouns that end in a consonant plus Y, we are adding IES. Baby, you can see a B is a consonant sound. So we are dropping Y and we are adding a IES. Babies. Fly. L is a consonant sound. We are dropping here Y and we are adding IES. Flies. Next, add VES. Okay. So for most nouns that end with F or FE, we are adding VES. Example, leaf. So the word end with F, we are adding here VES, leaves, LEAVES, leaves. Next, knife, KNIFE, knife. We are adding here knives, KNIVS, knives. Or you understand these rules, children? All of you say this after me. Adding S, ES, IES and VES. Word most nouns simply end with S. And here most nouns that end in a vowel plus Y, we are adding here S. Here is sound, we are adding ES. Consonant plus Y, we are adding IES. Word end with F or FE, we are adding VS. Clear, children? Now, here is another activity for you. List two nouns under each category from the story Miza Solves a Mystery. So, in this story, you can find the naming person and write this in the box. And what are the place you can observe here? You can write the place names here. And animal, what are the animals you can see in this story? You can write here. And the things, what are the things you can observe? That also you can write here. So I give you 2 minutes time. You have to write. Let me check the answer later. Yeah, ready, children? Shall we check your answer? Can I check your answer? Are you ready? Okay, let me check. Miza, Miss Mehta. Wow, superb, children. So you can write some other names also. What are they? Superb, children. Sharma, Reena, Ratna. So their name also you can write here. Place. Pune. Very good. Garden. So these two places we can see here. Okay. And you can write house. That is also place. Next. Animal. Bird. Cat. So these are the two things we can see in this story. Next. Things. Earrings. Ring. Very good, children. So we can see so many things also. Some other things. Yes, very good. Type in. Then clip. Very good, children. Now, another activity for you. Look deep. Choose the correct plural form of these nouns. Thief. The word end with F. So, what will be the answer for this? Very good, children. Thieves. 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 Leaf. 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 What is the answer for this? Very good, children. Leaves. 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 Baby. So we are dropping here Y and we are adding here IES. Babies. Superb, children. Not all plural form of nouns are formed by adding S and ES to the singular form. They can be formed in different ways as we know about the rules. So the plural of thief is dropping area F, adding VES, thieves. Plural of baby is baby, dropping Y, adding IES, babies. Here are some more examples. City, dropping your Y, adding IES, cities. Memory, dropping your Y, adding IES, memories. Family, dropping your Y, adding IES, families. FAMILES, families. Thief, thieves. Knife, FE, dropping here your FE and we are adding a VS, knives. So repeat this word, children. Cities, CITIES, cities. Memories, MEMORIES, memories. Families, FAMILIES, families. Thieves, THIEVES, thieves. Knives, KNIVES, knives. Here are some more examples for you. Leaf, removing F and we are adding here VES, leaves. Shelf, dropping F, adding VES, shelves. SHELVES, shelves. Cough, CALF, cough, removing F and we are adding here VES, calves. CALVS, calves. Loaf, 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 loaves, LOAVES, loaves. So here they have present some sentence for this. Leaves are usually green in color. The shelves are filled with books. The calves are looking for their mother. The bakery had fresh loaves of bread. So these sentence we can create by our own. So whatever sentence you can create, but should be in grammatical form. So that is the sentence. So using this word we can create our own sentence. Now here is another example for you children. Penny, story, ferry, lady. So here dropping here Y, we are adding here IES, pennies. So what sentence they have given? I have filled my piggy bag with pennies. Story, stories, adding IES. Priyanka loves mystery stories. Ferry, so we are dropping here Y, adding IES, ferries. There are many ferries to take people across the river. Lady, dropping here Y, adding IES, ladies. The ladies were waiting to board the train. Hope you understand this children. So you can create your own sentence. That is your wish. So learn all this sentence at your home children and try to write the answers in your notebook. And thank you children. Today's session went well and I hope everyone understood the theme of the lesson. The grammar you have all understood, and I need everyone write the answers in your books and write the answer 3 times or 5 times in your rough note. That may be your home fun. So learn the spellings, write the meanings and grammar part in your notes. Thank you children. Meet you in the next session.